Tech accounting allows you to view several types of reports through the system, such as the profit and loss report, balance sheet, trial balance, ledger queries, and many more. You can do that by simply clicking on the report icon on the dashboard, or you could click on the sidebar menu and go to the report module. Here you could see the system allows you to view up to 14 types of reports, and we will go through them one by one. First, click on the profit and loss, and you can see just simply choose your financial date and click on view report. The systems will open up a new tab and generate your profit and loss account. So this is an example of the profit and loss report, and this report could be exported to Microsoft Excel. Just click on the export to Microsoft Excel button on the bottom page of the report, and the system will download it to your desktop or laptop. So this is the profit and loss report in Excel type, and then we can go to the balance sheet. You can also set the financial date, or you can simply choose to generate the report by your fiscal year. Okay, this is the balance sheet produced by the system, and this report could also be exported to Microsoft Excel. Next is the trial balance. Also the same thing, just choose your financial date or your fiscal year and click on the view report. And here are the trial balance, which could also be exported to Microsoft Excel. And then you can choose the account transaction, so the general ledger. So here you can actually choose any types of account that you want to see the transactions. It could be your asset, your liability, equity, income, CGS, expenses, or other income and expenses, or you could simply just want to view all account. And then choose your projects if you have, and then just click on the dates and click on view report. Okay, as you can see, it will sum up all your account transaction for your fixed assets, your income, your sales, other sales, furniture and fittings, everything, your fixed assets. It will also chunk out your fixed assets to the respective COA, such as the office equipment, cumulative depreciation. Then we have account adjustments. This is basically everything, all the transactions that you have within that accounting period. and this report could also be exported to Microsoft Excel. And then you could see the customer transaction, and then you can choose to view any of your customer or simply view all customers. And then you could see whether you want to view your trade debtors or other debtors, or simply you want to see all creditor. And then you can choose to see which date of the transaction and click view report. And as you can see here, we have the type, date, description, balance, and then at the end we could see which user did the transaction. And this report could also be exported to Microsoft Excel. Supplier transaction, pretty much the same with the customer transaction. Click on view report. This is the supplier transaction within the accounting period, which could also be exported to Microsoft Excel. Ledger query. So in ledger query, you could choose any documents, adjustments, balance brought forward, closing, credit note, cash voucher, anything. Or you can choose to just check based on the account ID. So just click on any account you want to see. This is how it works. Or by debtors, or you could choose to seek by creditors, by your bank, and then set your financials date or transaction date, and then click on view results. Okay, this is the transactions for all the customers named Alwi. Okay, this report could also be exported to Microsoft Excel. EBITDA. So simply click to update your stock value, your raw materials, your work in progress, your finished goods, and I'm gonna show you an example, and just click update. You can view your report. Profit and loss. Okay. Customer ranking reports. You can choose to see from the top or the bottom rankings, and then the number of rankings, criteria, total number of invoice, or by invoice amount, and then choose financial date, and then you can view the report. So the only for this account, Awi is the only customer that have made purchases from this company, so the total invoice will be 84,000. This report could also be exported to Microsoft. So these reports helps you to basically see and sort your customers from your biggest customers to your least invoice customers. And then customer statement of account. You can check your customers or just view all customers, and then you could also choose to ignore avoid the voids transactions. Set the date and click on view report. So this is actually the account statement for all your customer. customer aging, same thing. Choose your customers, select your transaction date. So by this date, we could see like the invoices that the customer still owe you. Here, all these invoices have not been paid in more than 90 days. So the aging percentage, and then we have the supplier statement of account, which is also similar to the customer statement of account. Choose your suppliers, transaction dates, then you can see all your supplier transactions here. And then finally we have the supplier aging, which is also similar to the customer aging. You could see like as example, this for Animal Instinct Limited. So apparently our company have not settled the invoices for like more than 90 days. And then the aging percentages is also there, total due. So we also have all the total dues here. So that's it. Thank you.